We have gone further up the Mornington Peninsula towards Arthur's Seat, and we're really, really high up at the moment. And we are going to see a waterfall, which I don't think is going to have any water because we've just finished summer, but we thought we'd come and look anyway. But there's no water because it's all dry. Nuts. We found the viewing platform, so it'd be there in that rocky area, but it just doesn't look like anything. It's hot today.
Yeah, it's horrible.
It is so freaking hot. From all the snow melting. Ah, that's where it will be. So, we parked at the wrong side, so we've gone on a way bigger walk than what this actually is.
Told us to park.
And now it's all uphill. So I must admit that yesterday I had a really bad day and I just sort of went, oh screw it, and ate whatever I wanted. I definitely wouldn't say I binge ate, but I had instant noodles, which are just garbage, and then I had this like a cheesy pasta tuna thing that I made, so it wasn't a good day for eating. I would have gone over my calories, but not by like any extreme amount. But trying to make up a bit for it now. And I did drink alcohol for the first time in a while, which actually didn't feel good at all. And I felt much, much better totally abstaining from it.
Oh my god.
He's way fitter than me. New York, that way. Oh, I can just see the beach through there.
It's like not even 7,000 kilometers away.
Wow, the beach looks very different today. It's actually splashing on my car. It's really wintry looking today. I'm actually a fan of like wintry wild weather. I do like it, but it's just I don't want to be walking in pelting rain. I think I've got a raincoat. I do. I've got a waterproof raincoat, which is extremely dorky. I think I'm going to put that on and go and walk in the rain. The wind is blowing me from behind and nearly like making me fall over. It's getting worse now because on the boardwalk the sand is getting blown at me, if you can see that over there. So we were just in our spa for like 2 hours and it looks really weird color. It smells a bit like Snow Fairy. It's the Lush, the candy cane one. So I've just got some essential oils diffusing. It's peppermint, eucalyptus, mandarin, and a bit of a one called Peace and Wellbeing. So I actually listen to one over and over lately. I don't know why. It's like relaxation zen music with wooden flute and pan flute or something like that. Meditation and stretching and yoga. This is the YouFoods creamy salmon and dill with sweet potato mash and peas. We're at the beach. It's still windy, but definitely not as windy as yesterday, and I do not feel like exercising at all, but I'm here and I'm going to do it, and I'm going to jog. Can't be bothered, don't see the point, doing it anyway. I'm just having a smoothie. It's just cucumber, celery and pineapple. So I made a turkey, little bit of cheese and lots of salad wrap in the mountain bread wraps, which are the really thin ones, and I've fried it in a pan with a bit under a teaspoon of olive oil. Oh, I'm recording my own head. Dan is eating Chinese stir-fried, deep-fried
Lots of chicken.
crap. I'm not feeling very well. I've got some sushi. I'm not going to eat all of that. I got more in case Dan wants it. And I've just got a bottle of water. Going for a walk at the beach again.
Didn't even bring my coffee.
Dan's like really sick of the beach, but I keep coming here. It's nice.
Yeah.
Look at it. But yeah, we keep encountering total douchebags on the boardwalk who like seriously want to fight you just because you're going past them. It's really odd. I jogged from here all the way up there to the pier and then back. I'm so tired. I was not feeling motivated to do that at all, but I did it anyway. I feel really dizzy and nauseous and vertigo and tired and in a bad mood.
You did it.
Still did it. I made a stuffed chicken roast thing with roast potato, sweet potato and carrots and broccoli, green beans and snow peas. So these are the veggie garden beds that Dan has made for me. So he bought the actual garden beds, and then he went to a garden place and got a couple of trailers of soil. So I've got to sort of fertilize it and get some mulch and get some compost going, and we're just gonna go down to the hardware store and look at some ways of covering them, like stakes and net or something, because we've got a serious issue here with birds just eating everything.
All over the weekend.
Yeah, it feels so humid. Whoa! Look at it on the phone, it looks pretty. Seeds!
Yeah, take it this way. Carrots?
Yeah, carrots are always easy to grow usually.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Put your finger next to it. Tiny. Cause got a bunch of stuff. So just put some sea salt in them. Did my little potted mint. I need a way bigger pot for that eventually, but I just wanted to put something in it, and I don't want to put mint in there because it'll just take over everything. Yeah, gotta whip a snip around them because the grass is growing. So food wise, I actually got a U-Foods delivery. I did that because they were having big discounts. Ignore the Domino's pizza. So yeah, I got enough for me and Dan to have like 2 meals a day for 5 days or 1 meal a day for 10 days. So I'll be having those. I wasn't very impressed because they delivered my food at 3 o'clock in the morning, which was really odd. And they didn't put it behind the gate. But anyway, so I got like salmon ones and chicken, a couple of beef and beef fried rice, flaming chicken, salmon with dill and sweet potato mash, sauteed chicken, creamy chicken carbonara for Dan. He chose some of his. Yeah, so I've mainly got like ones with sweet potato and regular potato in them, and Dan got a lot more like pasta and wraps and stuff like that that I didn't really want. I'm having the U-Food sauteed chicken. It's chicken sauce, brown rice, peanuts and a bit of beans. So I'm just having the Amy's Kitchen organic split pea soup. Just having a lemon tea. So I'm having the chicken katsu salad from U-Foods. It's like cabbage and carrot and chicken and a bit of sauce that's a little bit sweet and a little bit like soy sauce, and it's got a bit of sweet potato in there. So I'm having a salmon fillet and sweet potato fries. So here's my veggie garden. I've just got a couple of herbs there, some radish here, more different types of radish there in 2 rows, and carrots. And this one is basil, coriander or cilantro if you're from America, thyme, 2 different types of parsley, and oregano or oregano if you're from America. And then there's a little bit of radish there, but it's not really enough room for it. But then here is all like kale, spinach, I can't even remember. Just a lot of greens.